Yeah, cool. All right, so now let's talk about one of his wild creations, one of Doug's wild creations. We're here. We've made a video about the overdrive section of this multi effects unit that Doug Tuttle has made for me from Midfi Electronics, and we had an intro about why I had it made, and now we're gonna get to pedal number 2 here. I'm gonna light it up. That's the phase and vibrato. It's actually called the Random Phase and Vibrato. You can buy it as a single pedal if you want, but basically it has one knob, and what that knob does is if you go all the way to the left, what you have is all random phase. And if you go all the way to the right, you have the vibrato. And in between, you have a mix of the two. And so you can adjust between both of those to get to whatever you want. So I'm going to turn it off for a second. That's my guitar clean. And I see that my mic is now disconnected. There we go. And that's my guitar clean. I'm playing my Godin, again, because it has coil splits and everything, and I can kind of tailor it to different sounds. Now I'm going to go for something a little bit warmer than I did before, just because I want to get that lush kind of like underwater swimming sound with this pedal, right? So let's play something like E minor. So let's hear it with the pedal on now. Now we'll go across the range. So I like to always start pedals at 12 o'clock. So that's at 12 o'clock. All right, now let's go to, I guess that's like 7 o'clock, which is all the way with just the random phase. Yeah, that randomness is a lot of fun. I think for playing like a rhythm thing like this, it's not what I would use. That 12 o'clock position is just awesome for that. This is a little more, I think, for like stabs and stuff. Like if we're doing something like. All right, let's go all the way over to 5 o'clock, which is purely the vibrato section. Oh, yeah. You can hear that randomness in there. It's great. Can you hear the phone ringing? That's my wife. I'll call her back in just a second. All right, going back to 50%. That's really, I find, like the most lush and interesting one also. And the randomness just sort of cancels itself out. I don't know, it just sounds so good, right? All right, I can go on and on because I love this sound. It's so good. That's it. That's the random phase and vibrato. It's a sweet pedal. There isn't a bad spot. That's what I love about Doug's circuits in general. Every spot is musical. It's just each spot is a different musical.